Hello folks, Disney Guy here. Today we're opening the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Mouskatool set. Exciting stuff. You can see we've got some feet, a little cutter of some sort, a roller, and I believe this is a mold, but let's open it up and find out. So we've got our Play-Doh, our Mouskatools. So we've gotten all of the Mouskatools free of their packaging. We've got a Mickey Mouse mold. Just stick the Play-Doh in there and you make a Mickey Mouse real easy. We've got a Mickey Mouse slicer to put little cool designs on your Play-Doh. We've got a Mickey Mouse stamper to make some little Mickey Mouse hands. And we've got two shoes that are also stamps, a bow for Minnie Mouse and a heart, and Mickey Mouse's iconic head. Let's open some Play-Doh and try these guys out. Let's try out the old Mickey Mouse cutter here. So we've got some cool little divisions here we've made. We've got some molds up here. Make a Mickey Mouse hand. Who doesn't want to make a Mickey Mouse hand, right? Also make a star. Making the star right here. Our star. We've got some Mickey Mouse prints right there. For our last one, let us see how this Mickey Mouse mold goes together. So, stick our Play-Doh in here. Smish it. Mickey Mouse. Hello! There you have it, the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Mouskatool's playset.